Let's talk about headlamps. That's right. This headlamp right here is really comfortable and it is super powerful. Now, I don't know if you could see this right here because it is a little bit light in here, but we'll put them on. You can see how bright it is right on my tabletop. Now, you're able to move them in different directions, and there is different features about how bright you would like your light, or if you needed the strobe because you're in distress, or if you just needed secondary light, or even a red emergency light to send out a signal. Overall, this light lamp is very comfortable with a heavier duty strap that straps to your head itself. And then on the back side, it's a battery pack, which is rechargeable, which is great. And you have these two massive batteries that power up this headlamp. So if you're looking for a headlamp that is really bright and has multiple features and is comfortable to wear on your head, then I would definitely recommend picking up one of these because you're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.